Welcome everyone. My name is Godwin Haliwatimena. Today I'm gonna present my final project. The title is multi-criteria collaborative filtering approach using SVD aggregation and supervector regression. And my student number is 103012580020. Okay. Next, the research topic explain about traditional academic recommendation system usually evaluate topics through a single criterion lens, meaning they only use one global rating. However, usually in reality, student preference are multidimensional by implementing multi-criteria collaborative filtering, or we call it MCCV. We broke down this preference into specific cognitive dimension to provide highly personalized topic suggestion. Next, system input and output. We can look on at the inputs and output the proposed system. The input consists of student topic interaction profile evaluate across three essential criteria. First of all is application, data, and is the system process this input. Sorry, this system process this input through our hybrid architecture to output and estimate overall satisfaction rating and generate a sorted top and recommendation list for each student. Next, the recommended pipeline. Uh, so in here we have, wait a minute. Okay, next is the single criterion gap. Why move away from a single criterion baseline? A single rating makes the true reason behind a student preference leading to higher recommendation error. In contrast, our proposed hybrid SVDS VR model independent, independently evaluates the app's data and its criteria and use machine learning to learn the ideal weight combination dynamically from real data student. And next is the recommended pipeline. Again, sorry. Our methodology is divided into four main stage. So one is we pre-process and split the ITM rec data set into 80% training set and 20% on testing set. And next is on SVD stage. Um, we use SVD to predict missing criteria ratings. And next on SVR stage, we train our SVR aggregation model. And the final its output, we calculate the unified overall rating to generate our top end recommendation list. Okay, next is overcoming sparsity. The biggest hurdle in academic dataset is extreme data sparsity. As a student, only interact with a top couple of topic out of 100. To solve this in step one, we apply a singular value decomposition, or we call it SVD, decomposite the sparse criteria matrix into user latent and item latent metrics, allowing us to accurately estimate the missing rating apps data and is next. Step two is SVR aggregation. Once the criteria metric are fully reconstructed, we must agree them because the relationship between the subcriteria and the student final satisfaction is highly non-linear. We implement a super vector regression with a radial basis function, or we call it RBF, kernel in step two. This is maps our input to into a higher dimensional space to learn dynamic weight combination. Uh, Next is core mathematical framework. The on here I have two equation, which is singular value decomposition or metric factorization, and the second is nonlinear multi-criteria aggregation function. Next is experimental setup. On experimental setup, to evaluate our model, we conducted experimental model using Python in Google Colab with the real world uh, item rec academic dataset. We split the dataset into 80% of the data from model training and keeping the 20% strictly isolated as testing set to currency and objective and reliable evaluation of our model accuracy. Next is validation performance. On validation performance, the experimental results show that our hybrid model successfully minimized prediction error. Our SVD and SVR model system achieve and may, or we call it mean absolute error of 0.420, and an RMSA, or we call it root mean squared error of 0.562. Both metric usually outperform that single criterion baseline and beat our proposal target of May under 0.50 and RMSA under on 0.70, proving the high precision of our approach. And next is key conclusion. Key conclusion is our hybrid SVD and sphere multi-criteria approach successfully resolve academic data sparsity and provide highly accurate topic recommendation. For the future development, we plan to deploy this algorithm into a web base using Laravel and MySQL and enrich it with NLP feature to extract research keyword from thesis abstract and anything else. Okay, so this is my final project. Thank you for listening and watching. I'm Godwin Hollywood Mena. See you. Thank you.